Ryan at Overland Expo, Southern California. I want to show you one of the coolest campers at this event. This adventure camper has one of the nicest graphic packages on it I've seen at this show. You're going to see this design. This thing looks sleek. This is new from Adventure Manufacturing. I'm usually your Scout Campers guy, but the Scout Campers are right beside me here. I got the Olympic right there. But this adventure, this thing's a showstopper. There's been a lineup of people to see this. You have electric jacks on this thing, electric awning on this bad boy with lights, some things that my lovely Scouts just don't have on them. So these are cool to see. And as I go inside this camper, it's got removable flooring, things like that, easy to clean. So busy show. If I want to clean this off, I'm just going to pull this mat, get all this dirt off there. We have a full washroom in this thing, so I can even fit in here, stand up. I'm just under 6 feet, 5'11", but I think even Big Kent, our guy, can fit in here. So it's a nice tall shower. And then we have our bed, folds over here, makes into, it's a couch and a bed. So see how it just rolls over? So fill this spot, a little extra sleeping. So I usually do the Scouts and we just don't have these same cubbies. So look at the storage you got. Nice cabinet doors. It's all built in with a built washroom. So I don't know about you all, but some guys' wives are going to love that. You know, nice built washroom, lots of cubbies. Makes them happy. USB ports, place to plug your stuff in. TV bracket. Again, tons of cupboards in the sink. Built-in flush cooktop. Furrion cover here. Your power station or your station here for your power lights, your tanks. So you have tanks in this camper. You got your gray, your black, your fresh. Another thing the Scouts don't have. AC, little teaser on this. I learned something that the Scouts beside us might be getting those pretty soon. But this camper, this Overland Edition, has AC. So this is going to keep you nice and cool. It's got heat, nice fan above the bed, queen bed in this bad boy. I love the setup in the bed, the nice wood finish, extra storage cubbies to put some things, nice blinds, keeps the sun out in the morning time. I should know because I was just in here. Again, lots of cubbies, things winterized, big sink. But yeah, this Overland Edition adventure, I think, has had the most activity at this show. A line of people to see it. I think it's the graphics again. Let's just look at this thing one more time. Overland Edition, ADRB. So this is Adventure Manufacturing's top selling floor plan with this new graphic design on it. This thing is a showstopper. Thanks for checking it out.